Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L4160 printer driver. After that, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you can see this in the search result. This is Epson's co.in, this officially site. Just click on it. Only use official site and do not download from anywhere. And this is the driver. You can see this printer. Scroll down and this is the driver and printer driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will open new tab. After that, I agree, and this is supported OS, you can see here. Okay, and then click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time, and total 36 MB you can see here. So it is completed. Then just single click to open. After that, click yes. Then OK. Then click to English and select language if you want to, and then click OK. Next. Now this is driver installing to your system. This is 2-3 way to install via USB, via network, manually. Okay, so on your printer and connect to USB to your laptop and desktop via printer USB cable. Now this is the first option via connect to network, and second USB. So if you connect the network, so connect the LAN cable to your printer. After that, click search and search. If you don't know about, so select this, and if you know the printer IP address, so specific IPv4 and then enter it. Okay, then click to OK, and after that you can click, like, you can scan and detect your IP and it will connect it. Second method, your USB. So connect to USB to your desktop and laptop by a printer USB cable. So this is different. Okay, it will come with printer. Okay, after that, click, so it will automatically detect, and next install. So both method you have to restart your printer system also, and then please check it. If you are getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support. Thank you.